We used our leftover epoxy to make some really cool natural stone samples. By experimenting with technique and color, you can emulate any natural stone on the planet. Visit us at stonecoatcountertops.com. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Our epoxy rocks, Stone Coat Countertops.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. You're in the right spot. Let's do it right now. We finished restoring a couple of tabletops and we have some leftover epoxy, so why not make some natural stone samples? This epoxy was already pre-tinted with our white base tint. Now we're adding some black spray paint for some under effects. We're using two of our metallic colors, our real teal and our clay metallic. These are both fracturing that spray paint and giving us a great undertone as well. It's fun to layer color, so we'll add and fog a little bit more black spray paint. Then I'll hit it with those two metallics, the real teal and the clay once again. Then we'll tilt our piece to create natural movement. Next, I'm just going to use some of that white tinted epoxy. I'll use my paint stick and I'll drag natural cracks and fractures across my piece. This will push color out of the way.
That's sick, dude. I like it.
Now Mitch is going to create a marble sample. I had some hard lines, more like granite. Mitch is going to show us exactly how to create a natural marble look. Simply using that same white tinted epoxy, he'll trowel that, he'll chop it, and he'll prepare for his color technique. Mitch sprayed a little bit of black spray paint on the table, he dipped into that, and now he's chopping it into the white tinted epoxy. As he does this, it'll mix with that white epoxy and turn different shades of gray, giving you that very natural marble look. This is an easy way to achieve Carrara marble, and then you could add different colors for different looks as well. Torching and moving the brush lines will create natural movement. Next, Mitch is adding a little bit of bronze metallic spray paint. This gives more of a Calcutta gold look. He's also going to create a vein by taking different color spray paints, dragging them right through each other, and watch what'll happen. By dragging a paint stick through the same vein multiple times actually creates more of a natural effect. By drizzling some tinted epoxy right down the center of that vein, Mitch is going to create another layer. Each layer makes your piece look more and more realistic. It's great to move a vein with a torch, a heat gun, or even pick it up and tilt it.
And that's after that epoxy's been sitting and it still moves.
In 24 hours, we can apply a clear coat of our normal epoxy right over the top of these samples and they'll lay out very smooth and be finished up.
Boom.
Using leftover epoxy on projects and doing sample boards is really how we've pushed our skills and honed our craft to the next level. You can emulate the looks of high-end natural stone if you're looking for that perfect finish to any woodworking project. If you're a resin artist that needs the perfect medium, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products used in this video.
Our epoxy rocks, Stone Coat Countertops.
Hey, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.